And we are starting a new bathroom project, and you can see the existing one right here. We have this outdated, non-functioning shower and toilet and little storage closet and old vanity and some old tile on the floor. And what we are going to do, we're gonna shake things up and turn it around. So this will be a new vanity space, this will be gone, and here for the first time we'll put a bathtub at the back and a linear drain shower in front. It will be one wet area, tub and shower in together behind the glass enclosure here a little further out. So we are knocking this out, adjusting the walls, putting a cabinet actual storage here, and put a custom vanity over there. So this is a quick first overview. Let's get going.